Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix exit code 1 Minecraft Curseforge. First, ensure your Java installation is up to date, as an outdated version is a common culprit. Next, allocate more RAM to Minecraft through the Curseforge launcher settings. We recommend at least 4 GB for modded instances. Finally, confirm your graphics drivers are current, as old drivers can cause stability issues. Many exit code 1 errors stem from mod conflicts. Begin by systematically disabling recently added mods to pinpoint the problematic one. Ensure all your installed mods and the mod loader itself are updated to their newest versions, as outdated files frequently cause crashes. Also, double-check your mod folder for any duplicate or corrupted mod files that might be interfering. Sometimes the issue lies with the launcher or corrupted game files. Try using the Repair Profile option in the Curseforge launcher for your mod pack, which can fix many common problems. If that doesn't work, a clean reinstallation of the mod pack might be necessary. Additionally, deleting the options. TXT file in your Minecraft directory can reset problematic game settings. For persistent issues, delve into the crash report generated by Minecraft. It often contains vital clues about the error's root cause. Don't hesitate to reach out to the ModPack's community or official support forums for tailored advice. As a final measure, a complete, clean reinstallation of both Curseforge and Minecraft can resolve deeply embedded problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.